India gave a final salute to the country's first Chief of Defence Staff, General Bipin Rawat, and his wife Madhulika Rawat. Earlier today, the mortal remains were brought from their residence at Kamraj Marg. Hundreds of residents joined the last journey of the couple. They walked with the procession till New Delhi's Army cremation ground. And it was there that family members, top military personnel, many politicians and foreign diplomats had gathered. It is being said that 800 military officials were in attendance. The general's body was accorded a 17-gun salute. The mortal remains of General Rawat, his wife and 11 others arrived in the national capital on Thursday, where Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi met the family members. Other dignitaries like Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, the 3 service chiefs and National Security Advisor were also present. Let's now tell you briefly about the unfortunate accident that took place on December the 8th. An Indian Air Force chopper took off from the Sulur base in the southern Indian state of Tamil Nadu. But just 10 kilometers from the arrival point, the Mi-17 V5 chopper crashed near Coonoor. The cause of the crash is still not known. The sole survivor is Group Captain Varun Singh, who is currently in a hospital in Bengaluru. The flight data recorder and the cockpit voice recorder of the Mi-17 V5 chopper have both been recovered. The chopper happens to be the mainstay of the Indian Air Force medium-lift helicopter fleet. They happen to be a fairly new addition to the Indian Air Force with less than 10 years of service and are the workhorse of the Indian Air Force's medium transport fleet. Now, for more on this story, our principal diplomatic correspondent Siddhant Sibal is now joining us live from New Delhi. Siddhant, thanks for joining us. As we just saw, India's Chief of Defence Staff, General Bipin Rawat's funeral was held with full military honours in the Indian capital this evening, as government leaders as well as military officials paid a silent tribute. Tell us more.
Well, yes, the nation finally bidding farewell to CDS Bipin Rawat and his wife. The mortal remains arrived yesterday evening from the southern state of Tamil Nadu, and the Indian Prime Minister was present at the Palam Technical Airport to pay homage. Today, of course, we saw those visuals from his residence, and of course how the citizens, how the people here came together to bid farewell to the general, who is considered someone who led the reforms in the defence forces when it comes to integration and other things. He has left a huge vacuum and something that of course will be difficult to fill. Of course, there is now questions about the succession, who will be the next CDS. We also know that not only in the country but from across the world, condolences poured in when it comes to this tragic incident that has shook the nation. In fact, when it comes to Nepal, Bhutan, Sri Lanka and Bangladesh, they have sent their top army officials to pay the last respects. In fact, Sri Lanka has sent the CDS to Delhi, who was present at the last rites of General Bipin Rawat.
Right, Siddhant, absolutely. We know that an inquiry has also been launched into the chopper crash that led to this unfortunate incident. What can we expect on that front?
Well, it could take time before there can be some announcement over what led to the crash. This is something that everyone in the country wants to know, why this crash happened. And someone who was at the top echelons of the security and defense establishment going for just a normal visit for a normal speech, and this crash happened in Tamil Nadu. In fact, the announcement was made by the Indian Defence Minister when he briefed the Parliament earlier this week about a tri-service inquiry into the entire incident. But we know that when it comes to this question as to why the accident happened, there are a lot of questions. The black box has been found. There will be detailed investigation into the entire incident and made sure that there is no repetition of such kind of incidences in the future. Because remember, these choppers are not only used to ferry army officials, but the President, the Prime Minister and other top political functionaries in the country.
Right, Siddhant, thank you so much for joining us, and thank you for all those inputs. Now, General Bipin Rawat's funeral today was held with full military honours in the Indian capital, New Delhi. Take a look. WION World is One is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news updates on the move.